But there's a very important key to all this. We want to keep you safe, so we've got Bob Curley here to help us out. And it's interesting, I was looking online, some research about the ladder, which is a key component to getting stuff up. Hundreds of thousands of people are hurt, a few of them even killed with accidents that involve ladders.
Exactly. Even from the first rung it can happen. So when you're placing a ladder, you want solid, level ground. A good way to tell what angle you're at is to stand and just put your palms on the rungs that are at shoulder level, and that'll tell you you're at the right angle. And then what a lot of people do is they overreach. Don't overreach. Don't try to get to that last spot. Always keep your belly button inside the rails of the ladder and you'll be safe.
And this is a roof ladder, which you put up against the house. Sometimes people use the A-frame ladder, which can be kind of wobbly.
Especially if you're trying to work this way with it. Right, exactly.
Do you also want to check the ladder to make sure that it's in good operating order? I was just up on a ladder the other day, and right down here had plastic pieces that hadn't been used in forever. I was helping a friend. One of them broke. I got a little unstable.
Yeah, make sure it's in good working order, and if it's not, don't take the risk.
That's right. It's not worth it.
And don't do it in the rain either.
Especially the lightning, because that is a metal ladder.
Right, and obviously watch for overhead obstacles.
So you've got some other things in terms of decorating. They can also help out the homeowner when they're preparing them.
Sure. Well, just staying on the safety issue for a minute, make sure you're using good outdoor electrical cords.
What makes a good cord?
It's made for outdoors. It's heavy duty. You want to plug these into GFI circuits, the kind that trip quickly. Don't cheat and try to plug it into a circuit that's not designed to trip when there's moisture.
That could get you a shock or even worse.
Or worse, right. Timers, there's all kinds of timers available these days to use, so the lights come on and off automatically, very easy to set up. The newest thing I think is great are LED bulbs. These bulbs last for 20,000 hours. They use 80% less energy, and they're just so much more reliable.
Sometimes a hassle, sorry to interrupt, but can be finding a dead bulb. What do you do there?
So
magic?
Yeah, we've all gone and done this, right, and tried to find them. But this little gadget, you can run it along the wire, and when it finds the dead bulb, it stops beeping, and you just push it in or replace it, and there you go.
How does it do that?
It's sensing the current, and where the current stops, that's where the dead thing is. And the other thing this thing does is it just tests bulbs for you,
look at that. You can put it in and make sure that it is working indeed.
Absolutely.
Well, that's great.
So, and then go ahead.
You've got this spool here, which I guess helps.
So 3 storage ideas. Most people try to wrap their lights up like this. It's much easier just to ball them up like yarn. They stay untangled, and this is what you end up with. So next year you can just unwind them, no problem. You can also get these reels at any home store. They're very inexpensive, and you can wind them up on here.
And the storage helps keeps it in good working order, which is also speaks back to our safety thing. And we want to be safe, especially when we're hanging ornaments like the Kirsten ornament that we have here. We wouldn't want to drop this.
No.
All right, so we're going to take care of this.
Sacred.
All right, Kirsten, back to you.
I'm so